Hi, my name is Jatin Thakur. I'm from Sonipat and I'm currently working with a company named Smart Tech, which is located in Murthal. And I've done my course in AI, that is Industrial Automation, from Sofcon NSP. And uh, this to prepare myself for this course, the faculty was really helpful, and they started with the basics here, which includes the VFD and the designing of the machines, and then to the advanced course, that is TIA, which is basically my job in that company to make the programs working for the machines. To help me with this course, the faculty was really helpful. They cleared my every doubt in that. They helped me with the softwares and all. And in future, if I get any promotions in that company or I get along in life, this course really helped me and everyone in this institute.